Dude, if we take this thing, if we take that to the roof, we have a good position once again. Okay? We all just go prone and lie down in it like pros. Oh, fuck, we're dead. No pussy, bro, okay? We're full sending. Everybody commit. Yeah, we're definitely gonna die, but we're committing, okay? That's what really matters. We're ready for anything. For Narnia! Yo, he's running for it. He's the last one. He's the last one on their team. Let's go. Oh, what a oh, yo, let's take it back. Yo, let's take it back. Drive by, bitches. Get his ass. Get his ass. I can't believe this shit is working. Yo, y'all are gonna make me cry.